welcome to a new vlog. In this vlog we go on a little yoga retreat day and we go to the garden centre and do a nice little nature walk. As you can see, this is me setting up for my yoga retreat day. So obviously I've got my yoga mat, water bottle and my bag. Where we done our yoga retreat day, it was a really nice place and the views outside were absolutely beautiful. And there was also some little ducks and gooses that were around, which were really cute to see. For our yoga retreat day, we took part in multiple different activities. So to start with, we'd done yoga, which helped to stretch all the muscles out and to relax the body. Then we went on to do a meditation, which helped to kind of clean my mind a bit. And I also saw a lot of different things during the meditation. During my meditation, I saw myself on a boat heading to a cave. And once I got into the cave, I saw 3 women standing around a rock table with 2 gifts. They gave me one gift of a candle, which they said this would help to light my way if I was ever lost or if I was ever a bit down. And they also gave me the flower for strength, as the flower grows from the darkness up into the light. And they said these were both gifts of love for me to keep on my journey. I also saw quite a lot more in my meditation, but we'll save that for maybe another time. Then we ended with a nice little sound bath. The sound baths help with balancing all your chakras that are in your body through sound, which is a really relaxing and calming experience. At the end of our yoga retreat, we received a few little gifts, which was quite sweet. So the first one was a book with a nice little bookmark in. Then I received a little travel deodorant thing. Then some nice tasty snacks. And then a nice little moisturiser. And also a black obsidian heartstone, which helps with protecting your energy, helping to ground yourself, helps to reduce stress, and keeps all negative thoughts and stuff at bay. So the yoga retreat day was a nice little day which helped me to relax and unwind. Then on another day we went to the garden centre, and this was quite a big garden centre. There was so much to see, from food to outdoor plants to veg to indoor plants to home stuff. There was just so much to see. It was a big garden centre, which you will get to see in quite a lot of footage that I have here of it. As you can see, it was quite a big garden centre. I also saw these pots, which were really cute. I loved the honey pots and the strawberry pots, which I was so tempted to buy. After looking at the pots, we managed to find the indoor plants, which there was loads, they had loads of pots as well, and they were really cute plants. There was loads of cactuses, succulents, just little plants to have indoors, which were really cute and sweet. After looking at the indoor plants, we managed to find all the home stuff, As you could see, there was quite a lot of home stuff to look through as well. There was little wax melts and little bath bombs and like smelly bits that you can use indoors. They had home stuff like mirrors, pictures, cushions for sofas, stuff for the kitchen. Yeah, there was a lot. And they also had some artificial flowers so you could make your own arrangements. But it was all very pretty and looked really all nice inside. I also loved the little doorstops as well. They were so cute. But yeah, as you can see, there was quite a lot here. After we visited the garden centre, we decided to go on a nice relaxing nature walk at one of the nature reserves that was close by. But before we started, we saw loads of ducks just by the riverside. They seemed quite chilled out and they were really cute to see. After seeing so many ducks around, we decided to start our nature walk. It was really nice and relaxing to see all the trees and forest and just all of nature all in one. On our walk, we came across a lot of ponds and fields, which were really nice to see. You can even on this nature reserve go into little huts and do bird watching, which is really nice to see as well. But all in all, it was a really nice, relaxing and chilled out walk. And here is all the footage of it for you to see. Thank you so much for watching. Your support is always appreciated, and I hope you liked the video. And love to all.